You told party that I want to contest, or party told you come and contest?
On the 10th afternoon, I came to know that I'm getting the ticket because my name was proposed by somebody.
You never applied.
I never applied.
Popu says the fight is between me and Joseph.
Like that day, he said I'm his good friend. Maka titli aming zat na papuchi.
Friendship na?
No.
Friendly fight म्हणतात. Everyone is friend.
Friendly fight means friend केन्ना झगडले.
Last statement I heard from Churchill Alema was that whoever wins is my candidate. So now if you win this election, you are Churchill Alema's candidate.
How it can be?
अरे ना.
How
No.
it can be? No way.
नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां पॉलिटिक्स इन बाणावले कार्यावळीन सध्या आमी जिल्हा पंचायतचे बाय इलेक्शन कवर करता आणि बाणावले वेगवेगळ्या उमेदवारांच्यो मुलाखती घेता. सध्या आमचे कडेन असो एक उमेदवार आसा जो इंडिया एलायन्साक रिप्रेझेंट करता. आम आदमी पक्षाच्या चिन्हाचेर ते बसतले म्हणजे ब्रूम ह्या चिन्हाचेर बसतले. जोसेफ पिमेंता, देव बरें करूं. मातसो रातचो तुका धरलो कारण तूं सध्या बिजी आसा म्हणून. एक म्हणजे सगळे जाण सध्या तुज्या अगेन्स्ट रावल्या. एक रॉयला रावले, दुसरो तो फ्रँक म्हणून रावला, तिसरो पोपू ग्रेफन्स फर्नांडीस. So difficult.
See, difficult in sense, as I am an India Alliance candidate chosen by the Aam Aadmi Party, and I don't think it is difficult for me to win this election because Lokak say India Alliance have to be united at all times. Like for example, as per MP election aravle. And this is a challenging time for us as India Alliance because BJP or somebody is trying to break this alliance. So they are trying to see where they are standing right now. So as per that, we have to be united, and I ask the people of Benaulim to be united as India Alliance and to vote for me on India Alliance ticket. So maka this not difficult asa म्हणून.
सगळे अगेन्स्ट उबे रावले तुझे. इंडिया अलायन्स अदरवाइज शुड बी अलायन्स. देयर इज नो अलायन्स हियर.
Somewhere the other सगळ्यांक एक कॉन्टेस्ट करपाची आसता. So they are contesting on their own. See, for example, Royala, she resigned from Congress and she is independent candidate. आता त्या म्हणतात that she is a Congress candidate. See, as per if you see these symbols, she is having a baby doll. So if it is Congress, it should be a hand, see, right? And तिनो पप्पूय म्हणटा आपुणूय काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट, बट ताजो सिंबल आसा कबड आनी फ्रँकाचो सिंबल आसा एरोप्लेन. सो बेजिकली पीपल are wise enough to know which India Alliance is there and what is there. So
ना पूण ते असले तुका म्हणजे isn't it tough for you right
no, I don't think it's tough.
Not tough.
No.
Why?
Because see, जेन्ना हांवें my nomination was filed, Goa Forward, Congress, opposition, leader of opposition, सगळे असलेले. And yesterday we had a rally in which आमचो president of Goa Congress, Amit Patkar, was there. So as yesterday I had a good boost saying that I am the winner of this ZP.
Okay, another thing is that Royala says that entire Congress is with her.
जेन्ना तुमकां आमचो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान सांगलां that एज अ टोकन ऑफ लव or appreciation आमी ही पार्टी ही टिकेट एज अ काँग्रेसान आमी आपा दिल्या म्हणून, जाल्यार काँग्रेस ताजे बरें आसतलें कशें. जेन्ना काल आमचो अमित पाटकर
बेनावली ब्लॉक खंय आसा सांग.
बेनावली ब्लॉक, see, wherever we go they say we are on a normal page, we are neutral. See, it's up some way or the other their sentiments are heard. They say that they are not taken into confidence. See, it's a decision by the party and Goa at large. So some way or the other, somewhere when times come,
You never tried to convince them, Baba, support me?
I went to the Benaulim block president, some of the members. They are say we are on a neutral page, we will support, but we are not coming as open.
They are supporting you, but they are not coming open.
500 meters square NA plots for sale at just rupees 12 lakhs in Vengulla, 50 kilometers away from Mopa Airport. Contact Aradhya Realtors for more details.
पण हांगा हे प्रॉब्लेम सध्या सुरू जाला. ते म्हणटा की एकदा समज हांगा आम आदमी पार्टीचो आमदारूय दिलो, झेडपीकूय आमी आम आदमी पार्टीकूच अलाव केले, जाल्यार काँग्रेस काबार म्हणटा ते हांगच्या.
काबार म्हणजे ते दॅट इज दे आर थिंकिंग, बट बिफोर वी आर जस्ट कंटिन्यूइंग द सीट. जेन्ना रॉयलान आम आदमी पार्टी कॅन्डिडेट आमचो बाब हेंजिलाची केस घातलेली, शी ओनली थिंक ऑफ शी वॉन्टेड टू वीन दिस सीट. सो खंय तरी ताकल्यान चुकलां, कित्याक हें सीट लागून तूं केलां तें, बट इट वील इफेक्ट एट कार्पेंटर्स or anybody at large. See, if she had done something for the betterment of people of Goa, she could have go to the court and ask for them that हे आमचे बाबा क्रिश्चियन कार्पेंटर आसा तांकां तेमी हे दिवपाक जाय that they are OBC. But in return, what she has done, she has said that Christian carpenters are not OBC. जेन्ना हॅन्झेल आमचे एक्स झॅडपीन आमचे ऑप्टेन केल्ली फॉर हिज एड्युकेशन फॉर इंजिनियरींग ताका पासून सो आफ्टर दॅट ही गॉट अ चान्स फॉर अ झॅडपी इलेक्शन एंड वे पीपल वोटेड फॉर हिम नॉट फॉर द ओबीसी सर्टिफिकेट.
सध्या तुवें खंयचे सर्टिफिकेट लायला?
आय एम क्रिश्चन कार्वी.
प्रॉब्लेम ना.
आय एम बॉर्न इन एंड ब्रॉट अप देयर ओनली.
100%. नाल्यार बाय इलेक्शन आणि बाय इलेक्शन.
इफ यू टेल मी टुमॉरो टू गो ऑन द बोट एंड कॅच फिश आय एम रेडी टू गो टुमॉरो.
तू धरता?
हांव धरता, अजून धरता.
रापणकार?
रापणकार.
रापण घालता?
रापण घालता.
काटाळे?
आतां सद्या सी वी हॅड ट्रॉलर्स ऑल्सो, वी हॅड रापण ऑल्सो. I used to go there. At the age of 13, I used to go with my father to catch fish. Then in the morning, I used to come back and I used to go to school. I have that much experience. Morning around 2 o'clock, I used to wake up and I used to go. So experience धरपाची जाय. आतां केन्ना वेकेशन आसतना पयलो बोटीर आसतना वेकेशन आसतना वयतालो. सो ते म्हाका आपोवचे जाताले मातशें यो रे बाबा आमगे व्हड्याचे चड तूं का हेल्प करून तांकां. सो हांव वयतालो.
यू आर ट्रू खारवी.
आय एम ट्रू कार्वी.
So there is no two ways about it की बाबा
नो वे.
yes no yes फाल्यां
no way.
सर्टिफिकेट काढली.
नो वे.
नो वे.
100% आय एम श्युअर.
ओके. आनीक पयला हांगा एंटायर कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी जाला बाणावलेकार वर्सीस नॉन बाणावलेकार. पप्पू सांगता ही सेज की आय एम बाणावलेकार सो आय विल विन बिकॉज मेजॉरिटी वोट्स आर विथ इन बेनावली. तू बायलो म्हणटा तू व्हडलेकार मागीर देन रॉयला इज फ्रॉम ओर्लीम आणि फ्रँक इज फ्रॉम समवन एल्स. सो
See, as a constituency, we come as Benaulim constituency. Even as a ZP, we come as a Benaulim ZP. Here, we cannot say Oldekar, Banalikar, Warkingkar. As I am also Banalkar.
how?
Because it's a constituency, Benaulim constituency. So, together we are as one. There will be different like Olim, Varga, but after all, when we vote for Benaulim constituency. Whoever it is, for MLA, or ZP, it is a Benaulim constituency.
But that is advantage. बाणावलेकार असल्या मातशें advantage पडटा.
That is their thinking. I cannot say anything on that. But people are wise enough. People want India Alliance to stay here, and people will vote for India Alliance.
So you are sure of the victory?
Yes.
As entire again coming back to Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, are you sure की जी काँग्रेसची वोट्स आसा वोट बँक आसा एक सायजेबल वोट बँक आसा ती तुज्या वोटेन येतली म्हणून?
Definitely.
रॉयला वोटेन वचची ना?
No.
वॉरन म्हणटा आपूण सपोर्ट केला रॉयला.
See, Warren पयलो म्हणटालो पप्पू सपोर्ट करता म्हणून. आतां Warren, see, he has to take a stand where he is, who he is supporting. See, I cannot say anything. I cannot comment anything on Warren. It's his decision whom to support. As far as we are concerned, the party has given me a ticket as India Alliance, and where all the higher authority has taken the decision, and they have already given the interview and they have given a press release saying that India Alliance has given this ticket to Aam Aadmi Party, that is me, Joseph Pimenta, and that's why I have taken the advantage to go ahead, and Congress and all the alliance are with us.
Last statement I heard from Churchill Alema was that whoever wins is my candidate. So now if you win this election, you are Churchill Alema's candidate.
How it can be?
Nah.
How
No.
it can be? No way. Because see, I have the support of our MLA, that is Aam Aadmi Party, and the alliance support. So this ticket is given to Aam Aadmi Party. So I am a candidate of Aam Aadmi Party as an alliance candidate.
Alliance candidate. चर्चिलाकडे वोट तरी मागपा वतलो काय ना वोट फॉर मी.
See, when you know that particular person is supporting the opposition, how can you go and ask a vote? So for me, it's see there are not much time also. Another 2 days are left, so we are basically focusing on our manifesto, what we have to do for the future, and
Popu says the fight is between me and Joseph.
that what I heard, that what he thinks. So I cannot say or comment on Papu what he said. Like that day he said I am his good friend. I know him because when I used to go to the catch fish, I seen him sometimes on the beach. Like maka titli aming zat na Papuchi.
Friendship ना?
No.
Friendly fight म्हणतात. Everyone is friends.
Friendly fight means friend केन्ना झगडले.
Friendly fight ना म्हणतात होती.
See, when it comes to politics, nothing is about friendship. See, if he was a friend, he could have discussed with me because I was declared first as a candidate. Then I will go and file the nomination. म्हाका ताणें फोन करूंक ना रे बाबा आपणाक उमेद तूं कितें कोता. So that could have been a
ते
friendly
म्हणतात
fight.
तुम्ही फोन करू ना म्हणून
See, when
त्यांका.
the
रॉयला says we were not told by party. Popu says ki we were not. I was not taken into confidence by
See,
Wenzi.
when Congress party told our leaders that we are giving the seat to them and you all take a decision, then there was a scrutiny in which my name was proposed. I was not the final candidate. So I came to know it on the 10th morning, afternoon I came to know that I am the candidate. So where exactly what they are thinking, I cannot comment on that.
You never spoke to them.
No.
Withdrawal time Ashila. You should have told them withdraw in my favor.
See, when they had made their mind to sit for election, I cannot go. Then they will make an issue that I came to them begging to withdraw. So better is no comment on that.
MLA is with you.
MLA is with me.
So what is your manifesto? What are you promising people?
See, promising there are plenty of works done by ex-ZP member, that is Henzil, and still more work has to be done. Like the work which is coming under the ZP funds and everything. So whatever is there, along with the MLA, because he is the MLA, when I become the ZP, we'll work together for the betterment of Benaulim constituency and we'll do the works.
You told party that I want to contest, or party told you come and
See,
contest?
just now I told you, like on the 10th afternoon I came to know that I am getting the ticket because my name was proposed by somebody.
You never applied.
I never applied to the party.
You told Wenzi Makamacho try the
No.
chance di kai na.
No. They had, see, all the coordinators and the party members, they had a meeting and in that my name was proposed. Then I came to know from my friend that my name is proposed. Then I came to know that my name is proposed. So then I told my friends and family that my name is proposed. What to do? They say, if you are getting an opportunity, go ahead. We are there with you.
You are surprised.
That day I was surprised. We had a meeting early in the morning with the Panchayat, but that time also my name was not disclosed. Then afternoon I came to know that my party has given me the ticket. So I was a little bit surprised on that day.
So you are India Alliance candidate.
Yes.
As we actually shoot the interview, that feeling is not that it is India Alliance because someone is from Congress, someone is from elsewhere.
See, I cannot explain to you everything. Like you have seen that when the nomination was filed, leader of opposition Yuri Alema was there. Then Goa Forward, they sent a representative. NCP they sent a representative. Shiv Sena, TMC, every representative was there during the final nomination. Yesterday we had a rally and Congress president was there. So how can you say that it is not an alliance ticket?
It's India Alliance.
It's in the alliance ticket.
ओके देव बरें करूं तूं वेळ दिला म्हणून.
Thank you very much.
ह्या आशिल्ले जोसेफ पिमेंता तांचे शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू हेच्या खातीर केला बिकॉज ही हॅज टू रश फॉर अ कॅम्पेन नाव. वी कांट टेक मच ऑफ हीज टायम. सो ही सेज इज इंडिया अलायन्स कॅन्डिडेट. तुमी पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब अँड आमी पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ बाणावलीचेर वी आर ऑल्सो गोईंग टू कवर इलेक्शन्स फॉर यू अँड देन ऑन संडे तुमी फ्री आसा जाल्यार यू कीप ऑन वॉचिंग अस बिकॉज आमी we will be on field bringing to you all the updates about election and of course on results day we will bring you latest and Joseph will give us first interview if he wins or when he wins whatever सारखे मरे
Yes. Definitely.
उतर पार्टी ना
No.
उतराचो मनी
Uttarakhand.
ओके तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब कीप वॉचिंग.